Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. It's really good looking. You see it has a great effect and you can see the concept. I really like it also. Let's see how we can create it. At first we need to add a new slide. In the new slide, the whole point of creating something like that is using these shapes. You create one of them here and one of them here. Then we select these two, set them to background fill, and then we go to shape format and set the outline to none. Now what happened when you copy a rectangle that you write in it and put it here, it's look like it's curving, and then you copy another copy of them, paste them here, send it to back. Then when you copy that and rotate them, it comes to something like this. When set the transition to morph, let's have a look. You see it's pretty amazing and easy. Now we create that effect for you. We just need to align them and make some differences in the color. I'm going to recolor it to the color I like. Pretty like this for the background. You must change this from here also, and now it's looking better. I think you can also change something, for example give shadow, but I highly don't recommend that. For example, whenever you gave shadow, some top shadow to that, it's look like this your slide. See, the effect is gone and nothing is here. For that, make it as easy as possible, and now it's your time to see the art. It's look very great. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I also have the complete video of that in my channel.